I'm going to show you how to use the integrated Amazon function to add products to the pages that you create with SociFunnel. So what you're going to do is make sure the first step is that you set your Amazon settings under settings. You need to enter your Amazon affiliate ID, your key, and your secret key. So if you haven't done that, make sure you watch that video first to get that done. Otherwise, it won't show you products or it'll give you an error. Then you're going to go to trigger pages. And there's basically two things that we can do. So we're going to edit this one page that we already created just to make it easy. And when you're creating a page, the process is exactly the same. To do Amazon, to add Amazon to it, you're just going to click at the very bottom where it says Amazon content. And then you have the option. You can either show the opt-in form and the Amazon or just Amazon. All right, so let me show you an example of that so you can see exactly what this looks like. So in this case, I have the opt-in form showing, and then I have the Amazon products listed below it. And you'll notice what happens is it's a slider with 4 products on each slider. So if you wait a second, you'll see 4 new products come up. And then you'll also see 4 more. So there's a total of 12 that you can add to any of the pages that you make. Now this one is blank because we deleted it, and I'll show you that. Okay, so the way that you're going to set this up is you're going to come in here to, you have your products, and then you have your 3 sliders. Okay, so again, just to put this to real world, this is one slider, this is a second slider, and then that's a third slider. So it's 1, 2, 3. Each one has 4 products. And so your options are you could fill out the slider 1, slider 2, and slider 3, and you could do 4 products for each. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, you have the option of doing products, specifically choosing Amazon products and adding them, or you could do category banners. Amazon has these beautiful category banners that are a little bit more general, but they're very professional. As an example, you'll see toy savings event, digital cameras under $1,000. So they're nice category banners that you can use. And if you want to use those, there's no need to search for anything. All you have to do is click and drag it to where you want. Okay, so each one of these can only have 4 products. This one only has 3 right now. So we could take a category here and we could pull it over there. Actually, we've got to get rid of this first. Okay, so now let's say camera and photo. Okay, is over here right now. If I wanted to add, let's do a product. Okay, so if I wanted to add a category instead of this space shuttle, I can move the space shuttle there. And now you can see there's only 3. And then I could move camera and photo up there. And I can interchange these any way I want. If I want them to appear in a different order, I can totally do that. So you could put up to 4 products in each slider, and the categories will already appear there for you. Now, if you want to get rid of one, you just have to drag it back to where it goes. So camera and photo would go here. Okay, and then products would go here. So that's how you can get rid of products and then add them by dragging them back. So for categories, they're all preloaded for you. You just drag them over. Now, if you want to add products, it's a little bit different. You go down to where it says add products, and you're going to add products, and then they're going to add them to those lists. So what you can do, all the products that you have available to you are over here on the right. These are all ones that we've already added. Okay, so if you want to get rid of any of those, you just click the little trash can and it gets rid of it. If you want to add more, you can enter any keyword. You could choose a category if you want, and then you search Amazon. It pulls up the products, and then let's say we wanted to add, Return of the Jedi. You just click where it says add product, and it adds it. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see it's listed at the bottom. Okay, so you can add as many products as you want. You can go through, do as many searches. Once you've added the products, then you're going to come back to your trigger pages, and any of those products that you added, you are going to be able to see down here in the Amazon content in the product section. Okay, so whatever product that we just added, you will see it appears here now as well. All right, and that's all it takes to customize the sliders at the bottom of your product page. Now this one, as I showed you, has the opt-in. If we don't want the opt-in form, we just do show only Amazon, and then we update it. And then when we refresh it, we just have our page content, our background image or our video, and our product sliders, and that's it. And so that is how fast and easy it is to be able to create that and add those products for you using the integrated Amazon feature.